Hi, my name is Eric, and you're probably watching this video because you probably have bad credit or credit issues. Now, I'm not going to waste your time trying to convince you that I'm the right person to repair your credit. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let you hear from real customers just like you. And if these people can't convince you that I'm the right person, then nobody can.
Since you met me, what have you been able to do?
Eric, it's been pretty amazing, man. He's always been straightforward, to the point, honest, no-nonsense kind of guy. He under-promised, over-delivered. My credit scores jumped up from 650 to like 745 on Experian, and then 710, 720 on the other two bureaus. I got several approvals. I got American Express for $15,000, PenFed for $19,000, NavyFed for $8,000, Care Credit, which I used to get my hair plugs, for $12,000. Life is good. Can't say enough about Eric.
What would you like to tell the people out there in YouTube land?
Just wanted to let you guys know it is real. I'm a living witness of it. Just like I want to say a month and a half, maybe 2 at the most, and do have a brand new car thanks to Eric. 2017 Mercedes.
Oh, you got the Mercedes. Oh, you out there balling like that. Oh,
yeah,
man.
I got the Mercedes thanks to you. I got a few credit cards, so yeah, thanks to Eric, everything is possible, and it took less than 2 months.
Now, I'm going to ask you this, and I did not pre-ask this question, so I have no idea what you're going to say on this question right here, but you can say whatever it is. So, did you have any problems when to get the loan for your car?
Listen, I had not one problem. It was 1, 2, 3. It was 1, 2, 3. Not one problem. Not one problem. It was 1, 2, 3.
Now, when you came in, and we can be honest, at some point you got a little skeptical there for a split second, didn't you?
I did. I watched a few of your videos, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to take this chance, and I'm going to go with Eric. But in the middle of the process of me waiting, I did. I'm not going to lie. I did.
And what did I tell you? Didn't I told you to be patient? So you got to be patient.
You got to be patient, yeah. And within, I want to say a month and a half, maybe 2, but it's not really 2. So less than 2 months, you can get whatever you need. You can get the car, you can get the credit card, less than 2 months. It's real.
How's your credit today?
Oh, my credit's good, great. I had 15 negative items, and in the first trial, 30 days, you got 11 of them off, and in the second round, you got 3 of them off. Only had 2 left to go. We'll hopefully be off this round. The customer service is excellent. You answer when you call. When you call to ask you questions, you're always there for us. You're honest. You don't take the money and run. And I think it's about the greatest credit repair there is.
And let me ask you this. And how long has it been so far? Like, from the time you signed up with me till now, how long has that been?
It's been 62 days.
62 days.
Just you got to go to.
Well, first of all, I just want to say thank you so very much for being a man of your word and a man of integrity. I'm not going to lie. I didn't know if this was going to happen. But I said, I'm going to take a chance and see what happens. And, Eric, I'm here to tell you that I've had over 15 deletions on my credit report. I had Bank of America deleted, Barclays, Bank of Delaware deleted, all of my student loans, 2 NB Financials, Sync Care Credit, 2 Sync Care Credit accounts. I can go on and on and on. So when I got the correspondence in the mail, it just said deleted. So I've turned all my family over to you. My sister just subscribed. My cousin just subscribed. And I'm so thankful and I'm excited and I'm just happy because your credit is your lifeline. And if you don't have good credit, it's really difficult to live a really fruitful life. So I'm glad I found you and I'm sticking with you and I'm telling the whole world about you.
Yeah.
This is important. And you just give me an honest answer. If you say yes, that's fine. There is no right answer to this question. So here it goes. Would you refer me to your friends and family?
Absolutely. I already got my mom on standby. Would I?
Now comes the very last part of this. Do you have anything out there to say to anybody that's sitting on the fences about, coming on board with me for credit repair or trade lines or just doing business with me in general?
I would say this, just take the plunge and fix your credit. Credit in America is life.
And the cool thing about this is we're going to do another testimonial video, but this is going to be after your credit is on point and you go out and do whatever extraordinary things you want to do with your credit, and we're going to do another video. And I think this video is probably going to be, if you're excited now, you're going to be really excited after you go out and buy that new car, new house with the picket fence, the dog thing spot.
Oh my God.
You know, because you guys are on your way now.
I've been trying to clean up my credit, and I've done a couple different things. And I've tried a few different services out there. I'm not going to mention any names because they don't deserve the plugs. But from your big name law firms, and everybody should know who that is, to even, I would call them your competitors. Everybody is drawing stuff out, they say, it takes time and it's going to be a month over month process. I don't know what you got some in, or you got something. Whatever you got, though, it works. And I've never seen or experienced this type of result at all in any facet for the 2 years I've been working on my credit. So I'm just floored. I'm shocked.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Yep, remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter until the next episode or video. I'm out. Peace.